Hello, I'm Chris McKenry with Closets by McKenry featuring Designer Garages. Spring's almost here, but something is here this weekend. The Dogwood Arts House and Garden Show. This annual event is going virtual this year for obvious reasons, but I'm so excited to be a part of this year's home show. All you have to do is log on to the Dogwood Arts Festival website and you can sign up and see vendors from all over East Tennessee with products that will help you throughout your home. And I bet there's some really good ideas for closets, garages, and other storage in the home. In fact, this Sunday at 10 a.m., I will be leading a virtual live workshop from my showroom, and we're going to talk about those unusual areas in the home or the areas you might not have thought of. Of course, there's closets, even home offices, but there are other areas that really would help you to benefit by doing a little upgrade. And we're going to talk about that from laundry rooms to hobby rooms, even wine storage. So join us this Sunday at 10 a.m. You can go to the Dogwood Arts Festival website and sign up not only for the home show, but also for the workshops. Look forward to seeing you this weekend, virtually, at the Dogwood Arts House and Garden Show. Chris McKenry, Closets by McKenry, featuring Designer Garages. See you this weekend.